Here goes the winching. I gotta get myself one of those.
You don't have a winch?
Nope. I got steel bumpers and I can usually yank it out pretty hard, but winches are great. That's probably what I'm gonna do next to my Jeep. Up and over. Ooh. What was that? Okay, so I just established a little strategy for this tree / stump in the road by watching Chris where he went over.
Well, that was easy.
That was easy. I'm gonna leave this thing run down and let it charge up a bit.
Yeah, probably
good idea. You're probably gonna need it for one of us.
Roll back. How much further do I have?
about right there.
2 feet.
Your back light's gonna go off.
All right, hold on.
That was a successful winching.
Guess my e-brake is about done. Maybe that's what shattered.
Ready to unhook?
I am. Nice. I gotta do.
The winch has been broken in.
That cracking is not. That was scary.
Yeah, it sounded kind of like it came from the leaf spring, back leaf spring area.
Oh, back?
I don't know, that's just, it popped really loud there.
Un momento, por favor.
Inspecting for the damage.
I'm gonna have to get to some.
We heard a crack.
It's not here in the mud.
I'm gonna pause it. This isn't that fun. I've got lots more fun stuff to film later.